Welcome to today's video. So this weekend I was going through my hard drive of all my finished photos and I found that my finished folder of toy photography photos. So I thought maybe I should just have a short video and show you a gallery of some of the photos that I've taken this year. But before you do, can you please hit the subscribe button to tell the algorithm that toy photography is really great. I appreciate it. Thank you.
To the pressure of the outside. Come to me.